Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Lizzie Moment. Today I will show you my second video. This is a continuation of my first video, which is the unboxing of my first binder. By the way, if you haven't seen that video, just click here. Now, let's get started. So now, this is what I did to my binder. Okay, first, I put my IDs here in these pockets. So, ang nilagay ko po dyan is yung mga IDs ko like driver's license, my SSS card, and my postal card. And this one, I need some information on this little piece of paper. I need some information regarding my bank account. So, nakalista po rito yung savings account numbers ko, checking account, my SSS numbers, actually number lang, PIN number, and any cards, even the credit cards. So, pag nasa bangko po ako, very useful sa akin kasi I don't have to grab my checking account, bank book, and my ATM card just to write the numbers that the bank needed. So, ito lang po ang pinu-pull out ko, and then andun na everything that I need. This is very useful. Okay? Pwede nyo rin pong gawin yung mga emergency numbers like police numbers, mga DSWD numbers, even your barangay hall number, kagawad, everything in your community. So, pwede nyo pong gawin sa a little piece of paper, and then ilagay nyo lang sa plastic na katulad nito. Very useful po siya in case of emergency, like mga bumbero, importante yan, bantay bata, something like that. So, kailangan po yan. And then this one, in this pocket, dito po yung Starbucks. Starbucks reward. Ito po yung every time, I go to Starbucks, ayun, may ticket silang binibigay. So, pag nakumpleto mo yan, then meron kang free coffee. Then, in this pocket, Ziploc, nilagay ko si Santo Niño because love na love ko si Santo Niño. Okay? First thing na ma-open ko siya, makikita ko si Santo Niño. And sa likod niya, naglagay ako ng red Chinese envelope. Nilagyan ko siya ng money. I forgot how much. But anyway, nasa sa inyo po yun kung anong gusto nyong amount na ilagay. And then, I put a mirror. Sabi nga nila, magre-reflect daw. Dadami daw ang pera pag may mirror. So, wala namang masama kung meron ako nito. Okay? So, dito sa isang packet, ito yung Philippine peso bill. This is 1,000 bill. 500 bill. Pinagsama ko siya sa isang packet. Kasi hindi pareho naman siyang malaki yung amount. And hindi sila pareho ng kulay. So, mare-recognize mo siya. This is 1,000 bill and this is 500 bill. This one is 100 bill, 50 bill, and 20 bill. Okay. So, kung kailangan ko ng 100 peso lang, I can easily grab the 100 peso here. Hindi na ako mahihirapan na kunin yung pera ko. Kung sama-sama sila, mas mahirap. Okay. And this is very organized. Okay, the next pocket is a card holder. Dito ko po nilalagay yung mga cards ko. Actually, minodified ko na to. Andito lahat ng cards ko pero inalis ko dahil for security reasons. Nakalagay ko dun yung aking mga ATM card, credit cards, lahat ng cards na kailangan ko everyday. So, this is actually an example of what I did. So, I have here a veteran card, bench, and Shakey's card. So, every time I go to the mall, hindi na po ako nahihirapan. Madali na para sa akin na makuha ang card na kailangan ko. So, marami po actually yun. Siguro mga 7 packets of this or 10. By the way, I have an extra packet here. This one. Pwede niyo po siyang lagyan ng pictures nyo. Pictures with your family, your solo picture, picture of your baby, picture of your husband, of your relatives, or even your favorite artists, bands. Actually, I'm planning to put some pictures of my favorite boy band. I'm actually an ARMY, a MOA, an Engine, My Day, Agase, VIP, Elf, Karat fan. So I tried this picture but it doesn't fit here. So maybe I'll buy another one that fits in here. So I guess you can put your pictures, your family pictures, and your favorite artists in this pocket. I have here papers. Ang plano ko dito, gawin ko siyang directory. Directory of the numbers of my friends, my family, my relatives, anyone that I know. Even yung mga emergencies din, na katulad nito na sinabi ko kanina, pwede nyo rin pong isulat dito. So, meron kayong files na directory files. And this is very useful also if we have to take down some notes. Meron kang available paper. Okay? So, itong binder na to is very amazing. Wallet at the same time, card holder at the same time, directory at the same time. Andito na po lahat. So, kahit wala na ka ng bag, ito lang ang pwede mong dalhin kasi nandito na rin ang money mo. Okay? Andito na lahat ng kailangan mo. Here, in this pocket, wala pa po akong nilalagay. Siguro yung mga resibo, pag bumili ka ng mga items, pag nagpunta ka ng malls, pwede mong ilagay dito yung mga resibo na mga pinamili mo so that pagdating mo sa bahay, re-reviewin mo na lang siya. Okay? So, I guess, this is it. Oh, by the way, ito pala nalagyan ng ballpen. may ballpen holder siya rito. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng ballpen. Yan. To write down. And there's another one here. So, this binder is so amazing. So, I guess this ends my video. I hope you learned something from me. And thank you. So I hope you enjoy, had fun, and learned something from my video. Thank you so much for watching.